Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I have a birthday challenge entry, but I also want to show you guys this super cute little, kind of like a little mini tag flip that I made using a Paige Evans cut file. I'm going to have the cut file linked down below. I am currently on the blog showing the details of how I made this and what I used, but I wanted to make a quick video because you guys, I think it is so dainty and adorable that I wanted to share it over here if you guys don't have like Instagram and Facebook and miss the posts. So I ended up doing this cute little tassel just to match all the colors that I used from the Truly Grateful collection by Paige Evans. And look, you guys, how adorable is this? She's got this cut file that comes with like 7 trees. I think I only used 5 of them or 6 of them, but it does come with 7 trees. And I just thought it was so cute to, it's a mini album, but I thought it would be cute just to like decorate every tree differently and then just put it on like a little tag, like a little ring to make it a tag flip. So this is the first tree. Isn't that cute? I put these little beads on it, kind of like ornaments. And then here's the second tree. And I had these little like teardrop, what do you call that? Little enamel dots, but they're like little teardrops or raindrops. So I thought that was super adorable. And then it does come with the little rings, you guys, like if you can see that. So it has like the little hole already in the ring. Super cute. Then there's this one. All the papers are from Truly Grateful collection. I did some wooden stars on this one. They all have little bows up top. And then this one just has a bunch of little like glittery little gemmies. You guys, this is adorable, isn't it? And then look at this one. It has pom-poms. So cute. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And then the last tree is the, oh, I missed this one actually, is this one right here. And I did the little, kind of like the sequence little strips from the ribbon. And look how that glistens. Isn't that cute? I love it so much. And that was a project that I created for my Paige Evans design team. If you guys didn't know, I am part of her design team. And on to the birthday challenge entry. I have such a huge mess here, you guys. This is like my busiest season and I'm like going bananas with stuff everywhere. Okay, so this is the entry. I did take it out of the packaging. It came in a box. Look at this amazingness. Look at this tassel, you guys. You see this? Look at all the beautiful trim she sent me. So let me put this right here. She even gifted me some pom-poms, but let me see. This is from Jocelyn and she's Wolfs and Crafts. I'm going to have her link down below. You guys already know the deal. Go and show Jocelyn some love. Subscribe, follow, whatever she has on Insta, on YouTube. Go show her some love. You know how we crafty chicas do. So this is her card, you guys. Isn't this adorable? I love all the little layers. I love doing this on the strips. I actually did 2 Christmas cards where I did strips like that. Banner is so cute. I love your card, Jocelyn. It is adorable. She gifted me something. This is like the envelope pack. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. It's super late. It's dark. She's a little doily. Look at this clip, you guys. How cute is that? There's a little pink doily, which of course I can salvage and save. Let's see what's in here. I think these are her embellishments. Yes, they are. Little shaker cupcakes, you guys. How cute. I love this. And what is this? Oh, she gifted me these little chipboard. You know what is so funny? I swear, you guys, I am like super blessed. I am super blessed. I am convinced that this community is continuously blessing me. I had seen, I think it was Soleil using these. I could be wrong, but I think it was Soleil who used these chipboard pieces. And I'm like, where is that from? I saw somebody give me another entry with these. And now I know it's from Miss Sparkle. Yay, I'm so happy I didn't have these. Thank you so much, Jocelyn. Oh, these just made my day. They made me so happy. Look at that balloon, you guys. So cute. I love those. I'm telling you, I am so blessed, you guys. So blessed. You guys are amazing. Look at this little bottle. Isn't this cute? It's tiny. It's like the size of my fingertip. Super cute. She sent me some beaded, like the pom-poms, but they have like the little beading hole. Look at that mint green. Oh, that's a big one. Wow. Love the colors. I think I have the beads, but not that color. I'm not sure what color I have. And then you guys, this is her tag flip. Loving the paper collection she used. Look at all this yummy trim she sent me. And look at her tassel, not her tassel, her tag flip. This is her first page. I love these tags with the faux stitching. I love them. They just look so delicate. It's double-sided. Oops, I don't want to mess it up. Okay. And then look at this one, and it has like a little pocket, and she gave me puffy hearts, which I'll take out right now so I can put in my little bloom. These are really chunky puffy hearts. Look at this. Super cute. And she made the little pocket. And then we have this one. She did a little rosette. She's got her little gold threading. Cute. And then look at this one. It says, happy birthday to you. And then I love it. I love the double-sided paper. And I think, is this the same paper that Crystal sent me from Echo Park? I love this collection. Ooh, she gifted me some enamel dots. We got some hearts and some pink gemmies. Love these. Taking them out and putting them in my container of enamel dots. Look how cute. Loving the colors of this tag flip. And then look at the, oops. And then look at this one. It has like a cute little like tab. Look at that. Oh, it feels magnetic. Is it magnetic? Girl? Yes, it is. It's magnetic. Look at you. I love it. So cute. So it stays down. Oh, this is adorable. Thank you so much, Jocelyn, for entering my challenge, for sending me the extra goodies, just participating and supporting the channel. I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. I can't tell you enough how much you guys mean to me. And yeah, if you guys are not already watching, I currently have a series on. Go check it out. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.